whole point of this is to get to the third bolt on top of the strut. You cannot get it without removing the windshield wiper cowl. Once you get the cowl off, you can get at the last bolt. Remove the rubber cap on each wiper. Remove the 15mm nut on each wiper. You might need a puller to pull off the wiper arms, a little puller like this, and you'll feel it pop off. Then push down on the wiper arm and pull the wiper off the spline. Do the same to the other side, the rubber cap, and then the 15mm bolt, and then the puller. Remove 7 clips across the cowl like this. Just put the screwdriver in, push them off. Remove the push pin clips on each end down in the corner. Put your screwdriver underneath, and then get one of the trim tools under it and pull it out. Then pop it out. And do the same on the other side. There's 2 more clips, one on each side, that attach right here, and they go in sideways. They hold the same piece. Go from the top, put your screwdriver down carefully. Right here, the clip goes in sideways. Now this whole piece is loose. Do the same to the other side. Final thing is to pull off this whole piece and pull it up from the corner and away from the windshield, and it will sit down in behind the windshield. Just move your fingers across to get it off. Then lift the whole piece out and away from the car. Not easy. Now you can access the bolt right there at the back for the struts, the third bolt. And that's it. You can just remove the struts like normal. You'll have to use a wrench for that one probably though. Undo your wheel. On high. Get off your wheel. It's a good idea to keep the wheel underneath the car while you're working on it, just in case. Undo the clip that holds the brake sensor line off the strut. Pull it out with the tool, and then at the top, push this rubber out and away. So now it's separate from the strut because it's attached to the strut. Anything attached to the strut has to be removed. So next is this bolt, and these two bolts, and this bolt. It's not much, but I put a bit of oil on there first just to make sure they come out. Undo the two big bolts holding the strut to your spindle. One. Oops. Two. So this was 2016 Ford Edge. It's 3.5 if that matters. I don't think. All the struts are the same. And like I said, to get at the top bolt, the third bolt is behind that cowl cover. And it's right down in there, you see? And that's the only way is take off that cowl cover. So anyway, I changed it. It's a bit of a time lapse. And the new strut is on. And everything's ready to go. And now I just got to do the other side. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.